guys, we can see the makings of a bed frame. Didn't shoot too much of this when I essentially built it, but we got it roughly in the van here, in which we're getting the rest of our components and everything painted and built, as we can see maybe on the tables over there. But I wanted to kind of show the bed before I got it all covered back up. And basically all I did was we took our rib nuts and attached them to the wall. You may can see in various locations down the edges, in which this 2x4 then is bolted to the wall, which there's a one adjacent on that side that goes down it behind the water tank there. And then these 2x4s are cut to fit and sit on top of each one of those on each side, in which you can see I framed in the water tank and have it where it runs down the front of it on the top of a 2x4 as well, in which it goes all the way to the wall in the front of it up there. So I made these roof slats. So I made these bed slats that go into each one of these, that ties it all together. And when it's there, we've put the bed on it and tried it already. It's there. It doesn't creak or pop or anything. You can see I put some supports down there on this, so all of the force that's on this frame is directional, straight down lateral force. And when it's all webbed together with this, it doesn't have any movement. So it's just, like I say, it's vertical force going straight down. And the bolts that are holding it on the side, they're not, under much tension other than just laterally. And the brunt of the force is being pushed into the wall from the base of the 2x4. So seems to work pretty good, and happy with how it turned out, because it gives us, with this height, I think this is about 21 inches. And it's where you're able to pretty much slide any tub or anything up under it as you need for plenty of storage. So we're gonna get our shelves and everything put back in on this side, and then we'll be able to get started building our cabinets and everything in the wall for this side. So you guys stay tuned, and really excited to get to this point, to be able to finally make something out of it. So really appreciate everyone for tuning in and joining us, and all the comments and feedback and likes and support. Thanks again, guys, and check it out.